So for this assignment, we had to find competitors for our Real Deal Tacos client. So what I did was I searched two food trucks within the San Diego Zoo and the San Diego University, because those are two of the locations that our client are in. The places that I found that I think should are going to be one of our top competitors. I got Famoso's food truck. I also got Lalo's Tacos, and I also got the Pierogi food truck. Um, Diving more into what they have, I've found that Famosos Tacos is very personal information. It tells you all about their catering, their contact information, their menu, their calendar in order to go. The colors are very bright, so really call to attention. Their logo, I think it's really interesting and it really connects to what they want to portray. And it gives you really all information about what you need in the main page, which I think is really, really important. On the Lalo's Tacos, you can see that on the top it still has the titles right here. Lalo's Tacos Mexican Cuisine. I think these boxes right here get a little bit lost. They do have a Let's Chat box tab that you can go ahead and there if you want to chat with someone. What I don't like about this one is that it doesn't really go down. It doesn't scroll down to give the audience more information in that home page. In the Pierogi one, it starts on the top, very simple design, just all in the middle, which I don't think really works out for them. But they have a calendar here, but it really is confusing. So I think they should have make a regular calendar and specify where they're going to be for the days. And then information about what they offer and what they are. And then a video about their story. I think there's too much text here. It shouldn't be there. As well as the video, I think is the key of what makes them unique and what really distinguishes them. And also on the homepage, you can find the contact information. After looking at their pages and everything, I see that they have a lot of good information, but they're still missing some touches. I looked at the reviews and people are really good at connecting with them. And the best part is that they can find them. And that's very, very important. The uniqueness of each one. In Famoso, the food place that they show. In Lalo's, that people can chat with them. And in Pierogi, that there's a video that talks about their story. I believe that we can see in all through the websites the words home, contact us, catering, order to go, menu. Those are the main words and the main tabs that we need to have in our website. So I feel what they want to achieve is to have people know about them, understand them, and learn more about what they are. And that's what we want to do also with Real Deal Tacos. Thank you.